Yummy. Yes, I do.
My name is Miss Valletta, and I teach STEAM here at Coleridge-Taylor. I am part of the cooking club just because we talk about math and science in cooking. I really wanted the kids to be able to take what we're doing here and take it right home and bring it to their families.
Does math and cooking go together though?
Yes, because you need to help.
So this is our first year with our cooking club here at Coleridge-Taylor, and it's something that we really want to keep going the next few years. So we just finally have got everything we need to be able to do that, and we're really excited to be able to bring this to Coleridge-Taylor for the next few years.
Same situation with the grapes. Watch what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our grapes, okay? Cutting it in, it's a whole, now it's a half. Half, yep.
It warmed my teacher heart just watching the kids watch what I'm doing, me modeling, and really taking that in and taking those skills that we've learned so far and putting them with the fruit. It was just an amazing experience getting to watch the kids cut the fruit and put it in there and bring everything together.
So you can just take the blueberries and you can put them in your bowl.
It's fun. I feel like it's gonna be a good club to be like cooking. So like if you want to learn how to cook, you can join cooking club. What made me want to join is because when cooking club came out, I was like, maybe this will be a good club. So I'll join.
This is fun. It is.
I want them to take away that cooking is an amazing thing that can bring people together. It is a way to be healthy, and it is a way to bring your, again, family together, and it's a job. It's a job skill that students could use in their future.
Let's dig in. Our yummy fruit salad.
I kind of already ate one.
I know you did, that's okay.